What kind of seeds we should use when we do hydroponics farming? What are stock solutions? A and B. So which books to read? Is hydroponically grown plant called organic? Namaskar friends. What kind of seeds we should use when we do hydroponics farming, right? So this question comes to everybody's mind when we start thinking about hydroponics for the first time. So let me clarify one thing. The biggest difference between hydroponics and the conventional farming is the soil. So here we don't have soil. Everything else remains same. So the conclusion is we use the same seeds that we use in soil, whether it's OP, Desi, Nati or hybrid or anything. So I'll be soon doing a detailed video on seeds, about seeds. So please comment your questions below and let me know what exactly you want to know about seeds. I'll be talking about all problems related to seeds or seed treatment and how to germinate faster. Stay tuned. So when you start exploring about hydroponics, you start hearing this quite often, right? What are stock solutions? A and B. So most of the hydroponic growers use separate tanks called A and B to store all the solutions, all the nutrients in concentrated form. So it is normally 100 times or 200 times more than the normal strength. And in addition to A and B, there is another storage tank which contains acid or base to adjust the pH. So this A and B stock solution contain all the macro and micronutrients needed by the plant and used to prepare the final solution. So you want to know more about it and know how practically it is done and how to do it manually and all those information along with the practical activities and learning, please join our community. See you soon. Namaskara. This question comes to everybody's mind when someone wants to get into farming for the first time in his life, right? So which books to read? Don't read any books. I mean it. Instead of reading books, just get started, get hands-on. Now, after getting some hands-on experience, then you read books. That makes more sense. However, you initially definitely need guidance or mentoring. That you can get it from a practical training to get started with. There are lots of people that I know who kept reading books and never sowed a single seed in their life. It's like becoming a surgeon without doing a single surgery. So even I started reading books when I wanted to do farming, and I realized very soon that I didn't understand 90% of the book, what was written. I knew about it only after I started doing practically. So my advice, just start sowing seeds, transplant them and take care of them. And instead of reading books, read the plants. They will tell you what to do next. Of course, I'll be telling you about what books you can read after taking some hands-on experience, after having some growing experience. I will definitely make a video on it. One of the very common questions that people ask is hydroponically grown plant called organic? Let me tell you one thing. There is nothing called as inorganic plant, right? Any plant in this world is organic. Whether you use any manure or any minerals, it is going to be called as organic. So the answer is all the plants are organic, whether you go hydroponically or naturally or organically. But the only thing that we can call something as organic is when we grow something without using a chemical pesticides. That's it. We never use the chemical pesticides. We use all organic and natural pesticides. That's how we call it as organic. Hope this information is very helpful, and please subscribe to our channel and like it and share it. Thank you so much.